Tired of overcomplicated affiliate promos that go nowhere? Imagine creating one video that feeds YouTube Shorts, Facebook posts, and emails, and turns clicks into commissions automatically. Stick around, I'm about to show you how. Right off the bat, the buyer magnet method is one of the simplest, most actionable affiliate systems I've seen. No tech headaches, no ads, no wasted time, just a proven system that actually makes your promos sell. What it is: an 8-step video series that teaches affiliates how to launch promos fast, build trust, and convert audiences into buyers. Who it's for: brand new affiliates who have no email list or ad budget, coaches, course creators, or seasoned marketers who want to stack irresistible value without tech overwhelm. Common objection it solves: I don't know how to create content or get traffic. This method walks you through it step by step, even if you're starting from scratch. Once you log in, you'll see the 8-step training laid out clearly. Video 1 shows you how to reset and re-engage your audience after a promo. Video 2 dives into stacking bonuses that make your offers irresistible. Video 3 walks through bonus delivery templates so everything looks professional and runs smoothly. Every module has actionable steps after each video, meaning you can implement immediately instead of just watching. It's quick, tactical, and ready to roll in under a day.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris Ramirez here, and I want to thank you for visiting this page on a strategy that I have developed using artificial intelligence and between the sites of Facebook and YouTube, the hybrid approach I take when cross promoting and cross building audiences, mainly with those two profiles. Okay. So you'll see the buy button right there below to go ahead and pick up your copy of it. All right. There will be some fast action bonuses when you take action today, about $211 worth. But don't worry, you're not looking to pay $211 worth. You're not even looking at paying $197 or even $97 to get involved. Okay, guys, you'll see that what the price tag is. It's nothing, guys. You're looking at like a Starbucks and some change to get the information expedited immediately when you pick up the buyer magnet method. Okay. So go ahead, take action, click that button below, and I'll go ahead and share with you the motions using artificial intelligence on what I do when I do promotions and audience built organically. It's not always about launching offers, even though that is nice, but you can also build a customer list with the method that I show you inside of this course. So go ahead and take action today, and I'll see you guys inside the members area and also the bonus material. You guys be blessed.
There are optional upgrades to supercharge your results. FB Affiliate Influencer 3.0, 1095. Build influence in Facebook groups and create evergreen traffic loops. Massive engagement method, $7.95. Boost reactions, shares, and social proof on every post. GDoc Profits, $12.95. Done for you bridge pages and templates to convert clicks faster. GP Teaser, $14.50. Use AI to create and validate products with instant authority. Buyer Magnet Community Vault, $27 a month. Ongoing templates, strategies, and a private community for feedback. Each is 50% commission friendly, meaning a ton of earning potential if you grab them. To make this a no-brainer, I've stacked over 10 exclusive bonuses for you. WP Slideshow Master, eye-catching slideshows to boost engagement. WP Swift Page Plugin, speed up your site and reduce bounce rates. Lead Book Generator, auto-add Facebook leads to your list. WP Email Timer Plus, countdown timers in emails and pages. Sales Page Recycler, reuse sales pages without duplication. Action Poll, segment your audience and increase conversions. GDoc Templates, done for you affiliate promo templates. Sociultima, automate social shares for free traffic. FB Live Voter, engage fans in real time on your Facebook page. Affiliate Sales Engine, easily manage affiliate posts and bonuses. Remember, these bonuses aren't available anywhere else, and they're designed to help you start your first affiliate promo fast and professional. Here's the deal. The buyer magnet method is perfect for beginners and pros alike. If you've been stalling or overcomplicating your promotions, this is your reset button. Scarcity. Bonuses and launch pricing are limited. Once they're gone, you miss out. Click the link below to get instant access, and I'll make sure you grab all these exclusive bonuses before they expire. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Faceless affiliate reviews like this. Click the link right below this video to get the buyer magnet method, grab your exclusive bonuses, and finally launch your first affiliate promo the right way. Don't wait, the window is closing fast.